Hey Steamers, before we rock out this activity, do you know what the scientific method is? The scientific method is a method of research and experimentation that includes making an observation, asking a question, forming an hypothesis, prediction, tests, and results.
Greetings, family. My name is Brittany.
My name is Emily.
And we are Radical Educators with STEAM Urban. Thank you for joining us today for our homemade science experiment.
Today's experiment is Explode a Bag. We have incredible students joined with us today.
Hi, I'm Carl.
Hi, I'm Zion.
Before we start, we're going to list the materials that you're going to need for the experiment. Pans or bowls, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 quart vinegar, 1/3 measuring cup, Ziploc sandwich bags, toilet paper,
And tape.
So the first step that we're going to do is making baking soda pouches. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then pour that into the toilet paper.
Good job.
So Carl, you're gonna do the same. Okay. Then you both are going to fold that horizontally and secure it with a small piece of tape. So,
Wait, you gotta put it on the table. Like this. I guess. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Oh. I just keep it like that. And you have to wrap it all around. Make sure you wrap it all the way around. So it should look a little like that. A little like this.
yes. As long as the tape is securing the toilet paper, you should be fine.
Let us start the experiment. It's better to do it with 2 pairs or in groups.
One person needs to open and hold the bag steady.
The second person is going to take 1/3 cup of vinegar and pour it into the Ziploc bag.
Once you're done with that, you're gonna seal the bag.
Seal the bag to make sure it closes correctly.
Before you place the baking soda pouch inside the bag, I'm gonna explain a few steps because the reaction is fast. So open the bag slightly, and you're going to have the part of the bag hanging over the edge of the pan. And then you're gonna add the baking soda pouch without it touching the vinegar. Then you're gonna zip the bag without the baking soda pouch touching the chemicals. Now for the last step, you're going to lift the bag allowing the chemicals to mix. And you're going to shake it 3 times and place it in the pan to observe what happens.
Science is trial and error. It forces us to be creative through our hypothesis process, trial, and allows us to critically explore different solutions while problem solving. Error. Throughout our scientific method process, we thought of different solutions to solve our problem. We asked questions like, why isn't our bag exploding? One of our wonderful steamers, Carl, wanted to take a stab at it. His hypothesis was that adding more vinegar and baking soda would make the bag explode. At Steam Urban, we believe it is important to express yourself through trying. If you don't try, you will never know. After observing Carl's result, we discovered that even after adding more baking soda and vinegar, the bag still would not explode. We found that the solution to our bag not exploding was removing the extra zip seal from the Ziploc bag. We recommend using sandwich bags without a zip, or using Ziploc bags and carefully removing the zipper before you begin the experiment. We used a lot of teamwork here. As you can see here, we have removed the zip from the Ziploc bag, and now we're carefully pressing the seal together with our hands. Alright guys, this is the best part. You should go outside for this just in case you make a mess. Carefully pick up the Ziploc bag, bring it to where you'll place it, shake it, and then step back and watch your bag explode.
It looked like this one.
And there you have it, steamers. It worked!